Hello everybody. Hello po. How are you? Now, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Jai and Jerry. If you're new here, my name is Jade. I am originally from the Philippines, but I live now in Florida. And just like you, I got here through a K1 fiance visa, and right now I am a green card holder. Everything po DIY process. Yes, I did everything. It's just me and my husband DIY process. So I know exactly what you feel right now or what you are going through right now. I've been there. I've done that. So that's why I share my personal experience through my videos. If you visit my channel and go to playlist, you'll see an album title there, K1 Visa or K1 Visa Step by Step Guide. I have videos there of K1 Visa, what to do, how to fill out forms, list of requirements for interview and medical and CFO, and how to book this and that. If you're here in the US or if you're about to come here in the US, I also have a video there or a playlist album title Adjustment of Status, how I fill out the form I-485, the work permit, what are the requirements, and also how to properly arrange your adjustment of status packet so you won't get rejected by USCIS. Everything there po. And soon, I will be applying for my removal of conditions. Still, we're going to do it a DIY process. So wish me luck. I will still share with you guys, as you know, that's part of our journey as a K1 visa. So everything po in my channel, you can just check my videos and please help me share my videos to our fellow K1 visa sisters or brothers out there who are still preparing or still in the process of their K1 visa. So yes, just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working with or as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based on my personal experience, my research, and my knowledge as a DIY filer of K1 fiance visa and green card application as a green card holder. And from the people as well that I talk to on almost a daily basis through my live streams who shares their personal experience as well. So these are all based on my personal experience, research, and knowledge. You may join me on my live stream. It's usually 10 p.m. Philippine time zone, 8 a.m. Central time zone on a weekdays. I highly encourage you guys to always visit the official website of the US Visa. That's uscis.gov. And the other one is travel.state.gov. That's the official website of the US Visa. So yes, ano nga ba? I just want to share with you because a lot of you right now are or just got approved on your I-129F petition. Congratulations, July filers of 2025. They have been approving the July filers of 2025. So yes, and ano nga ba? What are the next step when you receive your know what to or the approved notice of your I-129F petition? The next step po is the NVC or the Manila case number. But it usually takes from 3 to 4 months for you to receive your NVC letter after you receive your know what to or your approved notice of your I-129F petition. So USCIS will forward your case to the Department of State, and it usually takes from between 45 to 75 days. And then Department of State to National Visa Center usually takes from 1 week up to 6 weeks. Yes, ganun na siya katagal ngayon. So some people, they receive their NVC letter in after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and some people after 1 month po talaga. So just to give you a heads up, yung mga time frame ngayon from the know what to NVC from 3 to 4 months. Now, what do you do after you receive your Manila case number? So once you receive your Manila case number, you go to Consular Electronic Application Center website. I'll show you as well later on how to do it. Anyways, this is the website. And then you click check my visa. And then you put in your Manila case number, your MNL, your passport number, and then your last name. Now, a lot of people get confused. Do we click the non-immigrant visa or the immigrant visa? Now, for you to check your visa, especially if you're a K1 fiance visa, because a lot of you there are asking, Miss Jai, where do I find the invoice number? If you're asked to put in your invoice number, then you are in the wrong site. Now, so for K1 fiance visa, click immigrant visa and then put in your Manila case number and then your passport number and then the 5-digit of your last name and then the CAPTCHA thing that you have to copy and then submit, and then you'll see there if your case is still at NVC, in transit, or case ready. Now, if this appears on your screen right here, because this is mostly what people are encountering right now every time they check their visa status. If you see this, or when you try to check your status and it says your search did not return any data, then please, on this part where you put the passport and then your first 5 letter of your surname, put NA on both and then click submit. If you see if it's at NBC in transit or case ready, then you're good to go. Now, if it still says the same thing, your search did not return any data, on the passport part, you put NA and then you put your first letter of your last name and then click. If it still doesn't work, interchange, put the passport number and then the put NA on the last name, because that's how it usually works, or it works after that. So if it doesn't work on both, if you put NA, then put the passport number and then you put NA on the last name, or put NA on the passport number and then put your last name, and then it should go through. Now, if you have any problem after that, I'm not sure what to do. You may probably have to call US Embassy regarding that one. But anyways, most of the time, like 99.9% of the time, it goes through. Now, again, if you encounter that one, you may have to put NA on both passport and the last name. And another one, a lot of people are asking, Ms. Jai, do we need to upload documents to the consular electronic website or the SAYAC? You don't need to upload any document if you're a K1 fiance visa. All you have to do is to bring your documents on your interview day at the US Embassy in Manila. Most of the time, or not most of the time, but only spousal visa uploads their document before they do their interview at the US Embassy in Manila. Now, if you get refused 221G, please listen to the instruction of the consular officer, because the consular officer will explain to you what you're going to do if you need to upload the document on the consular electronic website, or you only have to submit it and mail it to them through To Go Premium Express delivery. So please make sure, if you feel like, I know it gets overwhelming sometimes, but please, if you get refused 221G on your interview, and if you did not hear him or her properly, the instruction, please ask them to repeat the instruction and make sure that you understand, because you cannot just ask people, what do I do with this, if there was an instruction specifically for you on how to do and submit your documents. Please ask again nicely. They would actually repeat it for you guys. So that's it. Yun lang yung update ko sa inyo again. So if you encounter that issue, please do that one, and if still doesn't work, you may probably have to call US Embassy. So please help me share this information, because right now yan talaga yung lumalabas. Ang daming nagkaka-encounter niyan, and I've already announced it sa live stream ko. I did a live stream last week. I did a live stream last week, and then I explained how to do it, and still a lot of people still don't know how to do it. So please help me share this video para alam din nila. So good luck everybody. So once it's case ready, you can fill out DS-160. Make sure that you don't make a mistake on your DS-160, because that's very, very important. So after you submit your DS-160, you can book for your biometrics and interview. I have a video right here on how to do that one. And you can also book now for your medical as well. I have a video right here on how to book for your medical and how to pay for your medical online. So good luck everybody. And also, I just posted a video on the list of requirements and the step-by-step process on what you're going to do on your medical day sa St. Luke's. check those videos. Nasa K1 visa playlist po siya. So thank you very much everybody. Again, help me share this video to anyone you know that is still processing their visa, waiting for their NVC kasi baka they might encounter this problem so they know what to do as well. Good luck and see you again in my next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share.